This exercise program is not intended as a substitute for professional health care. Consult your practitioner before beginning an exercise program. At any time, if you feel dizzy or experience any pain, consult your practitioner immediately. Welcome to Synergy Therapeutic Systems. Synergy's objective is to assist practitioners in restoring patients' movement and function, reducing pain, and preventing re-injury. Our program is based on a train, don't strain philosophy. We believe a sensible exercise program should not be painful. Pain is the body's natural warning sign that it is being overstressed. Synergy Therapeutic Systems progression format is easy to follow and is specifically designed to help patients reach their goals at an optimally progressive rate. A strong, flexible body is a major step toward taking charge of your overall health and wellness. Before starting, keep a chair with arm support, a towel, and your Synergy device handy. You'll be needing them shortly. Also, position your television and VCR so you can effectively complete your Synergy program when your Synergy device is mounted to the hinge side of a door. At any time, if more time is needed than allotted, simply stop the tape. Ready to begin? Let's get started. Regular stretching gives you greater ability to move, reduces pain, and decreases the possibility of injury when executed correctly. Once in correct stretch position, try to relax the muscles. This will help achieve even better stretch results. There is a difference between a dull ache being gently stretched and the sharp pain being further traumatized. The latter will cause further setbacks. Pain should not be experienced. It is the body's natural warning sign that it has been pushed too hard. So stretch gently. Never move quickly or create jerky or bouncing motions. If pain occurs, stop. It indicates you're overstressing your body. Pain also tightens muscles, which defeats your purpose. So move in and out of each stretch slowly. This first stretching exercise restores mobility to your neck. Utilize a towel to anchor your shoulder for a better supporting stretch. Stand on the towel, eliminating the slack and keeping your elbow straight. Now let's begin. Slowly tilt your head away from your shoulder. Feel the stretch from behind your ear down through to the tip of your shoulders. Keep your head facing forward. We'll be doing each stretch twice and holding for 20 seconds, with approximately 5 seconds of rest in between. Be sure to maintain a straight back. Slowly ease off and relax. Get ready to slowly tilt your head again. And begin. Tilt your head slowly. A common mistake is as the head tilts, your shoulder subtly rises. The towel helps to anchor down the shoulder, immobilizing it, allowing full range of motion stretch to the neck. The next 2 sets will stretch the other side. And relax. Switch the towel to the other side now. And begin. As you tilt your head, think about your nose as a pivot point. To assure proper technique, position a mirror in front of you. Ask yourself, are my shoulders level? Is my head straight forward? Are my elbows straight? Body straight? Okay, get ready to ease up now. And stop. Do you feel the stretch? Good. Get ready for the last set. And begin. Stretch slowly now. A modified version is reaching up and over with opposite hand and slowly assisting the stretch. Now try relaxing your neck as you stretch, keeping your shoulders level. Feel the stretch? Good. If done correctly, you should feel the stretch from behind the ear down through your shoulders. And relax. The next exercise stretches one of the hardest areas of your body to reach, the upper back. With thumbs down, interlock your hands and slowly begin to reach out in front of you. Stretch your arms out straight in front of you. This stretch is not a stretch and hold. Drop your head down and keep reaching both your arms and shoulders. Keep reaching. And ease off for 5 seconds. And stretch. Focus on stretching further and further throughout the 20 seconds. Most stretching is not a stretch and hold. Rather, continue to stretch throughout the duration. The further the reach, the better the stretch in your upper back. Keep breathing. Good. And stop. This next exercise improves cervical motion and control through a sliding or gliding head motion. It is not nodding motion, so keep your chin level. Move your head forward and backward. Slowly. Let's do 2 sets and 10 repetitions. You can count to yourself or simply follow along with the video. And begin. Imagine holding a plate on top of your head while moving your head forward and backward. This motion, called protraction and retraction, stretches the facets and increases cervical mobility, allowing you to move your neck with more control and movement. And relax. And begin. Concentrate on stretching forward, reaching your chin straight forward and backward. Try finding a focal point at eye level. This may help you maintain a straight head and chin level. Don't force the motion, and be sure to maintain a straight back. Proper position of your head and neck is the key to results in this exercise. And stop. Tight chest muscles pull shoulders forward, which causes your head to pull forward, throwing off your entire body alignment. This exercise stretches the chest, restoring proper shoulder and neck position, thereby restoring proper posture. Now position yourself in a corner. Lift your arms so your upper arms are parallel to the floor, and rest your forearms on the walls. We'll be stretching for 2 20-second intervals. If more time is needed than allotted, simply stop the tape. Now, slowly push straight forward, stretching out your chest muscles. Lead with your shoulders. Be sure to keep your upper arms level. Stretch to the point of minimal discomfort. Don't overstretch. Pain should not be experienced here. It also causes muscles to tighten up, and you want to relax your muscles. So stretch. Don't overstretch. Slowly ease off and get ready for the next set. And push. Many athletes neglect this stretch, which has a major impact on athletic performance. Posture is important to us all in achieving our daily functions and personal goals. Keep slowly pushing forward with your chest. When your chest muscles, or pecs, are tight, the shoulders become tight, which pulls the neck and head forward. The chest must remain flexible for proper body alignment to occur. And rest. This exercise reaches the muscles behind your neck and down your spine. In a sitting position with your back erect, get ready to lift your shoulders up, maintaining your head in a neutral position. Don't allow the head to cock back or forward. We're doing 2 sets, 20 seconds each. Inhale on the upward motion. At the peak, exhale and lower slowly. And begin. Lift both shoulders, rotate back, down, and forward to complete the square. Always rotate up, then back, squeezing your shoulder blades closer together. This exercise offers both stretching and strengthening benefits. But don't roll forward. This causes impingement and unnecessary risk to the shoulder joint. Keep your head focused forward. Get ready for the last set. And start. Moving only your shoulders, make each square motion as large as possible. No other exercise develops the muscles through as great a range of motion with as much muscle isolation. Raise your shoulders as high as you can, and basically, hide your neck. This will enhance your ability to reach further and with more neck stability. Now, relax and get ready for some strengthening exercises. Series 2 concentrates on specific exercises strengthening and stabilizing the upper back and shoulder areas, restoring your proper posture, balance, and reducing the potential for re-injury. To continue on with your daily functions, we have to develop some body smartness, improving your ability to deploy your body accurately, efficiently, and fluidly. Synergy's exercises center on developing body awareness and function. Start out slow and stay with it. Let's get started. With your back up close to the wall and your body straight, stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and elbows lifted out to your side at shoulder height. Now get ready to lean your body towards the wall supported by your elbows. We'll do 5 sets, 10 seconds each set with about 10 seconds of rest in between each one.
and slowly lean. Sink your body back, adding pressure to your elbows. Now remember to breathe slowly and evenly. And relax. During the exercise, your elbows should be the only part of your body touching the wall. Get ready for set 2 now. And begin. If you find yourself pushing your elbows back rather than creating that leaning motion, readjust your stance by taking a small step forward. That creates a more distinct lean. And ease up and relax. To change the desired resistance, simply adjust your distance from the wall. And begin. Now maintain a complete straight body. And ease off and relax. From time to time, it's a good idea to review your technique. Remember, your results are the consequences of your overall technique and consistency. And lean. Continue to lean throughout the exercise now. Can you feel your muscles between your shoulder blades at work? Good job. And relax. Now, this exercise isolated the muscles between the shoulder blades, improving posture and making range of motion possible for your arms. And begin again. Last set now. You should feel your muscles flexing. If other muscles are tiring, you may want to review your technique in front of a mirror. And relax. Find a chair with good support, with your feet firmly positioned, shoulder width apart on the floor, with your arms down to the sides. Maintain a straight back and slightly lean forward. Get ready for 2 sets this time, 20 reps each. And begin. Now, the last exercise isolated and strengthened the muscles between the shoulder blades. This one reaches the muscles just below those and the back side of the upper arms. These muscles play a very important role in holding your shoulder blades in proper position when your arms are in motion. The more stable your shoulder blades become, the easier it becomes to move your arms. The shoulder blade is one of the most free-moving bones in the body. And with healthy muscles supporting it, arm motions become easier and you get greater mobility. No longer is it such a chore reaching to the top shelf to put away groceries or taking those few extra pulls getting the lawnmower started. So start out slowly, stay with it, and watch your improvements become a reality. And relax. Now remember to breathe evenly and exhale at the top of each repetition. Let's get ready for the second and last set. And begin. Move slowly now. At the top of each repetition, squeeze your shoulder blades together. When you isolate and strengthen small muscles, they tire quickly. This is normal. If you begin to tire, don't sacrifice your range of motion. Rather, bend your elbows, reducing the amount of resistance. Keep squeezing at the top of each repetition, nice and slow. Weak upper backs are sometimes caused by frequent or long trip driving or spending too much time in front of a computer. Whenever your arms are placed in front of you for long periods of time, some back muscles begin to lengthen and weaken, causing shoulders to pull forward. This restricts arm movements and function. The exercise you're doing helps prevent rounded shoulders. It improves your posture and helps make complete arm range of motion possible. Can you feel the muscle strengthening? Good. Ease off and relax. The next exercise utilizes a chair with good arm support. Now, this exercise adds mobility to your neck, strengthens your upper back, chest, as well as the back of your upper arms. It also adds stability to your upper back. Remember, if more time is needed at any time, simply stop the tape. We'll do 2 sets this time, 10 repetitions each, with a 20-second rest between each set. Let's get started. Another version recruits your legs for bending the knees. This added support enables you to simultaneously push with both arms and legs to achieve the same motion with less resistance. By straightening your legs, this exercise becomes more challenging. Get ready to ease off and relax. Now relax. The advantage of utilizing a chair versus a dip bar is the prevention of reaching the total dip position, which sometimes causes unnecessary pressure to the shoulder joint. As your skills improve, don't increase your range of motion by dipping further, Rather, increase your number of repetitions and move to other exercises. Now get ready to begin your last set. 10 times now, nice and slow. All the way up. As you reach the top of each repetition, the muscle, called the upper trap, receives some stretch benefits. So make sure you take each repetition to the top to receive maximum benefits. And relax. Find an open space on the carpet or mat. Position yourself on all fours, making sure the hips are directly over your knees and shoulders over your wrists. With your elbows straight, push through your shoulders, sinking or hollowing out your chest in an upward motion. We'll do 2 sets, 10 reps each. And begin. Now slowly push evenly with both arms. You should feel your chest hollow out as you push through your shoulders. The only movement occurring is your chest and upper back, rising and lowering, nice and slow. The motion is subtle, however, the benefits are significant. And rest. Your shoulder blades are one of the most free-moving bones in your body. The muscles you're strengthening now help hold the shoulder blades against your rib cage, allowing your arms to complete their full range of motion. And begin. 10 more reps. Try to exaggerate the motion this time. Take it slow now. Fully extend up through your shoulders and lower. Are your shoulders and hips square? Can you feel your upper back as it stretches upward? Good. The only motion occurring is your chest and upper back moving up and down. These muscles, once strengthened, improve function and restore mobility to your shoulders and arms. And relax. Series 3 incorporates the Synergy Scapular Stabilizer device interacting in muscle activities under conditions of increased resistance. The purpose of Series 3 is to enhance the effectiveness of stabilization and reduce re-injury through a series of isolating, strengthening exercises. Some exercises require mounting of the Synergy device. To do so, position the door mount on the side of the door that opens away from you on the hinged side. Place the strap between the door and the door jamb. Make sure the door is secure and locked. If more time is needed than allotted, simply stop the tape. We'll do 10 repetitions of each exercise. However, check with your practitioner first to qualify a suitable level of exercises and repetitions. Ready to get started? Place one step onto the cord and allow the cord some stretch. Then place your other foot onto the cord. Stand tall with your back erect and head in a neutral position throughout this exercise. Inhale on the upward motion. At the peak, exhale and slowly lower. We're doing 1 set of 10 repetitions. And begin. Lift both shoulders now. Rotate back, down, and forward to the complete of the square. This exercise reaches the muscles behind your neck and down your spine. For better results, exaggerate the motion, making the square motions as large as possible. This helps reestablish blood circulation in the tight muscles of the neck. It also improves posture and enhances your ability to reach further with more neck and upper back stability. Mount the Synergy device at approximately shoulder height. We'll be strengthening both sides, one side at a time, 10 repetitions each with thumbs up position. Maintain your hips and shoulders square and feet shoulder width apart throughout the entire exercise. Keep your elbows straight and your arms level. And begin. Slowly push straight out and in, keeping your arm level. Extend out and in. If you fully extend correctly, you should feel your chest slightly sink or hollow out as you push through your shoulders. The only movement occurring is your arm and shoulder extending out and in. Go ahead and switch sides now. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles responsible for stabilizing and holding the shoulder blades in place, allowing full range motions of the arms to take place. Try to exaggerate the motion this time. Imagine your arm as a single unit as you push out and in. The motion is subtle. The exercise helps build the shoulder blade against your rib cage, allowing the arm to move functionally in a complete, full range of motion. In a sit position, mount the Synergy device at shoulder height. Place the loops around each shoulder. Adjust your distance from the wall to create the desired resistance. Maintain a sit-tall stance and upper arms level with the floor. We'll do 10 repetitions. And begin. Now slowly pinch your shoulder blades together, keeping your upper arms horizontal. Don't push your chest out. Rather, squeeze your elbows back toward each other. This exercise isolates and strengthens the muscles between the shoulder blades, improving your posture and helping you function properly whenever you need to pull something toward you. Stand up and remount the door strap at shoulder height. Place the loops around each shoulder and resume a sit-tall position. Adjust your seat distance from the wall for acquired resistance. Now this is your last set, so let's make it your best. Let's do 10 reps this time, nice and slow. And begin. Slowly squeeze your elbows in a back and downward motion. Many shoulder and upper back pains are caused when these muscles are weak. This exercise isolates hard-to-reach muscles to restore posture and helps you stabilize your shoulder, restoring function to the upper back and shoulders. The healthier and stronger these muscles are, the more freedom of movement and range of motion your arms will have. So stay with it.
Congratulations. Consistency will ensure success toward reaching your desired destination. Your efforts will be realized in terms of many pain-free and healthy tomorrows. Remember, a healthy body resists injury and recovers faster. So let's continue to stay with it. We'll see you at your next workout.